Hi, my name is Dedric Williams. I am the Business Information Management 2 teacher at Duncanville High School. Along with that, I have the pleasure of serving as the Student Council Advisor, Senior Class Coordinator, and the voice of Duncanville Athletics for 5 varsity sports. So I would not be in Duncanville if it were not for my uncle, Jim Williams, who was the Director of Human Resources when I first got here. He brought me here in the fall of 2001. And I've been here ever since. Education for me was not the path that I chose, but I believe it was the God-given path that I was supposed to follow. So here I am. I love what I do, love being able to interact with students, being able to see them get from where they are to where they need to be, being able to communicate with them and help them see their potential, being able to follow them along their journey, seeing them thrive as adults is an amazing part, an amazing privilege for me to be able to just watch them grow, watch them develop, and being able to see them succeed. So for me, my thing has always been to serve. I tell my students all the time, if you're not serving, you're not working. It's rare for me to tell somebody no. And I think that's one of the things that I pride myself on, is finding the opportunity to be a blessing to people, whether it be students, whether it be my peers, whether it be custodians, bus drivers, anybody. I'm gonna always try to leave people better than I found them. So that's what I do.